Hello and welcome to my channel. Before we start, I will show you the basic Rubik's Cube moves, which is very helpful to solve the cube. So first of all, if you hold the cube like this, then this is your right layer of the cube. This is left layer of the cube. This is upper layer of the cube. This is down layer of the cube. This is front layer of the cube. This is back layer of the cube. If we hold the cube like this, and move right layer upside, then it's called R. If we move right layer downside, then it's called R prime. If we move left layer downside, then it's called L. If we move left layer upside, then it's called L prime. If we move upper layer left side, then it's called U. If we move upper layer right side, then it's called U prime. If we move down layer right side, then it's called D. If we move down layer left side, then it's called D prime. If we move front layer clockwise or right side, then it's called F. If we move front layer anti-clockwise or left side, then it's called F prime. If we move back layer anti-clockwise or left side, then it's called B. If we move back layer clockwise or right side, then it's called B prime. First of all, we have to solve Rubik's Cube, layer by layer. This is first layer. This is second layer. And this is third layer. First of all, we have to select any center color, before we start to solve the cube. You can choose any color, this center color never move, so we start with center color. To complete first layer, we have to follow two patterns. First one is, we have to make cross, or plus with match color on side edge. And second one is, we have to match four corners color, with side color. Now let's solve first layer. First, hold the cube, where your selected color on top. Now, we are going to make cross, or plus with match color on side edge. Here we selected orange color, so we have to move orange color on these spots, to make plus. Now first, we have to find orange color on bottom layer. On bottom layer we have to find color on center cubes. If we don't find the color on bottom, then we have to find the color on other side of cubes. Once you find the cube on center, bring it to the bottom by turning. Once we bring the color on bottom layer, then simply match side color with second layer. Once we match side color with second layer, then simply turn up to the top. Now, again first find the color on bottom layer. If we don't find, then find on other side. Follow the same steps to complete plus. If you find the color on center column, then first turn right or left front layer, and then bring it to the bottom layer by turning down. Now we successfully complete first pattern. Now, we are going to complete second pattern to solve our first layer. We have to match 4 corners color, with side color. First we have to find the color on third layer, where the color on front facing side. Once we find the color, then first check color on other side of the cube. Generally we can find 2 more colors on the cube. Now we have to find these 2 colors on center of second layer. And move the cube, and place it in between the 2 center color of second layer. Once we moved the cube, generally, we find the cube one side match to the center color of second layer. Now if the match cubes on left side, then first simply turn third layer on right side. And turn down the left side layer. Now bring back or turn third layer on left side. Now, turn up the left layer on top. Now, you can see, we match 1 corner colors along with side color. Now, follow the same steps and complete other corners. Now if the match cubes on right side, then first simply turn third layer on left side. And turn down the right side layer. Now bring back or turn third layer on right side. Now, turn up the right layer on top. If we find corner color on the bottom side, simply bring it to the right side. Then turn down the right layer. And then move third layer to the other side. Now bring back or turn up right layer to the top. Now follow the same method that we used to match corner. Here we successfully complete first layer. It is very easy to solve second layer. We already solved center cube on second layer. Now we have to solve corner cubes on second layer. To solve corner cubes, we have to follow one rule, which is very easy. When we solve first layer, we choose one center color, which is orange. Now we have to check center color on bottom side of the third layer. We have red color, so now we have to find center cubes of the bottom layer, where the red color don't have. Please keep in mind we have to find center cubes which don't have red color. Please keep in mind, we have to find the cube, where red color don't have on both sides. Once we find the cube, simply match the cube with second layer. Here we have to match front-facing side color to second layer. Once we match with second layer, then we have to find which color on bottom side on third layer. Now we find this color on left or right side of second layer. Please make sure the color on center cube of second layer. Now if the match color on left side, then first simply turn third layer on right side and turn down the left side layer. Now bring back or turn third layer on left side. Now, turn up the left layer on top. When we do this method, we find it's unmatched one corner cube of the first layer, so now we just follow the rule, which we used before, to solve corner on first layer. Now, follow same rule that we used before, to solve corner cube of second layer. Now again, we have to find center cubes of the bottom layer, where the red color don't have, and follow the same process that we did before. Now if the match color on right side, then first simply turn third layer on left side, and turn down the right side layer. Now bring back or turn third layer on right side. Now, turn up the right layer on top. Now again, follow the steps that we used to solve corner cube on first layer. Now again, we have to find center cubes of the bottom layer, where the red color don't have. Here you can see we solve second layer of the cube. Now we are going to solve third layer. Now to solve third layer, we have to turn up the bottom layer on top, which is unsolved. Now, here we have to apply some algorithms to solve third layer. So first of all, we have to make plus. To make plus we need to apply one easy algorithms. Before we apply the algorithms we need to hold the cube in specific position. Whenever you are going to solve third layer, generally you will find these three type of patterns, so simply hold the cube like this, and then apply these algorithms. Here we have second type of pattern, so we need to hold the cube like second image, and then apply the algorithms. Now, hold like this, and then apply algorithms. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now we have third type of pattern, so we need to hold the cube like third image. Now, we got line of the same color. Now we have to hold the cube like this, so the lines stay horizontal. And then again apply the same algorithms that we applied just before. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now, we got plus. Now again, we have to make plus, with match center color to the second layer. So before we start, just try to move top layer, and try to match center color to the second layer. If you don't find, then it's okay. Now here we got two side match, but it's beside each other. So we have to hold the cube like this, where one match side goes to back, and the other match side goes to left. Now we have to apply the algorithms to match center color. R U 2 times R prime U prime R U prime R prime. Now simply turn the top layer, and we got plus sign with center color match. There are 3 more patterns we can get after making plus. The first one is, once we make the plus, then we can't find match center color, so in this situation hold the cube as you like. The second one is, once we make the plus, then we find one side match, so in this situation, hold the cube like this, where match side is facing your side. The third one is, once we make the plus, then we find two side match but it's opposite each other, so in this situation, hold the cube like this, where one match side is facing your side, and other one goes to back. Now we have to solve corners cube with match side color. Here first we have to find any corner cube, which has match color to both sides. Here we find one cube, which has both color on it. Here we have both color and also match to center color, but it doesn't matter, we only find one cube which has both color on it, and the both color have on side of the corner. Once we find the cube, then bring it to the right side, and apply algorithms. If you don't find any cube, then simply start with any side. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Now, we have to check again corner cubes. We have to match all 4 corner cubes with their both side color, and continue to apply the algorithms, until we got all 4 corner cubes with their both side color. Here again, we find one cube, so again we have to apply algorithms. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Now, we successfully complete plus sign with match center color, and our cube almost solve. Now we have to solve 2 corners, where we have to bring red color on top. To bring red color on top, we need apply one algorithms, which is very simple. So first, we have to bring cubes on right side. Please keep in mind, when you apply the algorithms, and move the top layer, then don't change your hold position, means the second layer position don't move. R prime D prime R D Now, we have to apply these algorithms, until we bring the red color on top. R prime. D prime, R. D. R prime. D prime, R. D. Now, you can see, we bring one red color on top. Now, we have to move only top layer, and bring the unsolved cube on front right. Now, again we have to apply algorithms until we bring red color on top. R prime. D prime. R. D. R prime. D prime. R. D. Now, simply turn the top layer and match it. We finally solve Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, then please like and share this video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel to get more helpful video in future.